Hello from the Oloimero part of second primary of Ialissos in Rhodos, Greece. Today we made a birthday card, a birthday poster for e-tuning and its birthday. So the big ones of Oloimero create a poster with some symbols on it, like the Greek flag, the e-tuning, the birthday cake, of course, with 5 candles, the flag of Europe, and a lot of balloons with a happy birthday sign in them. We all are very happy to participate in e-tuning projects, and we have until now 8 projects that we have taken part. So we like e-tuning very much, and we want to wish to e-tuning a happy birthday. Παιδιά, την ευχή σας, κοιτάμε όλοι εδώ.
Happy birthday, e-tuning!
With a lot of good projects. I'm Katerina Kombu from Rhodos, Greece. Happy birthday, e-tuning!